Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day here for Boeing, and updates certainly need to be made as far as the technical chart is concerned. First I'm going to do is just get rid of a couple of these lines here. Sure, these levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the big update and first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 153 is now going to be that main area of resistance where if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back to the upside, the big question mark is now all about that 153 mark. Can the price not only get up above it, but then stay up above it? And that'll be that first key kind of big test of any sort of bounce. Because just because a price starts to bounce and go up doesn't mean that there's any sort of legitimate strength. But a good test of that strength is, well, how is it going to behave around that 153 mark? And again, if it can get up there and stay up above it, that'd be a nice step in the right direction. And if the price can't break above there, next level of resistance you would want to start to pay attention to would be that purple line, the 50 period moving average. But as of right now, that's probably a little premature. Let's just first see if the price can even get up there and break through 153. As far as levels of support are concerned, I'm going to have to squeeze down the chart here, and it's going to get a little bit hard to see, but this really just goes to illustrate that it's been quite a while since the price has been down this low. But next level of support at this point now going to be down there at the 148.50 mark. And then if 148.50 cannot hold up, next key level after that, down there around the 145 mark. So yeah, as of now, things are looking pretty shaky. Granted, it's looking shaky across the markets, but we'll see how the price continues to behave relative to these key technical areas. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.